As you prioritize your email marketing efforts, you may be wondering what type of campaign you should be running and when. Let's have a look at several different types of email campaigns and what they're generally used for. Email newsletters. As one of the most commonly used email campaigns, newsletters can be used to educate readers and share your company's latest news and content on a consistent basis. Providing real value should be the main focus of any newsletter to help reduce unsubscribe rates and increase open rates. Newsletters are often sent out on a weekly or monthly schedule. Promotional emails. With a very specific call to action in place, promotional emails are ideal for introducing new products and services, driving sales, collecting signups, and more. Welcome emails. A welcome email sets the tone of the relationship with your new subscriber. These types of emails are even expected by new subscribers at this point. Plus, welcome emails that contain an offer can lead to an increase in revenue by up to 30%. This is when compared to a regular welcome email without any offer at all. Event invitations. When throwing an event, whether it be in person or online, you can invite guests on an email list by sending out an invitation. Events may include things like grand openings, webinars, workshops, and in-store promotions. Review or feedback requests. In the world of business, customer feedback is super key. Not only can you use feedback to improve your products and services, but you can use reviews and testimonials to attract new customers. If you have Google My Business set up, try sending out a review request. Positive reviews can increase your search ranking, which will help others to find your business online. And besides, you can use these reviews in your content, whether it be social media posts or future email campaigns. Abandoned cart emails. According to Shopify, almost 70% of online shopping carts are abandoned. If you sell products online, you can send out abandoned cart emails to customers who have left items in their cart but never actually checked out. These emails can lead to more revenue by successfully completing the sale. Re-engagement emails. A re-engagement email is designed to pique the interest of older subscribers who may have fallen off or no longer open your emails. Try creating a campaign that features an attractive deal in hopes of bringing them back on board. Confirmation emails. These emails are generally sent out after a subscriber has signed up for your email list or made a purchase through your online store. While they aren't the most exciting emails, they are very important. It's a good idea to keep your confirmation emails simple and to the point so that the reader completes any necessary tasks outlined in the messaging, such as completing the sign-up process or verifying their email address. Thank you emails. Saying thank you may seem like a small gesture, but it can certainly go a long way. Letting your customers know how much they mean to both you and your business promotes loyalty and trust, which leads to more sales in the long run. Seasonal campaigns. From Valentine's Day promotions to summer sales to Boxing Day blowouts, there are many different seasonal campaigns that can be ran throughout the year. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and check out eStoreKings.com for free resources, written tutorials, and lots more.